Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript array method, and in this tutorial we are going to learn include method. Here you can see an array which is stored in a variable, and inside this array we have total 3 values: Advan, Rahul and Aman. And now I want to search a value from this array. In our case, Rahul. You want to check Rahul value is exist in this array or not. For that you can use include function. Here you need to pass the search item keyword. Here you can search alphanumeric data type, string, etc. It can search any type of value, and this method returns boolean value, true either false. So without wasting your time, let's start the practical and see how it's works. So as you can see, side by side I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension, and I already created a HTML document named index.html. And inside the script you can see an array, and inside this array we have total 4 values: Smith, Advan, Rahul and Advan again. And also you can see we print our document in this array. And now I want to find a name from this array. For that we need to use include method. So at first I'm going to create a variable var x assigned with array.include function, array.include. Then inside the round braces and inside the double quotes I'm going to pass the keyword which is add1. And then semicolon to end this line. Basically, I want to search add1 keyword exists in this array or not. So let's print the variable in our document. So here I'm going to type document.write. Inside the round braces, I'm going to pass our variable name x and semicolon to end this line. If I save this file, you can see the result. It's returned true because add1 is exist in our array. Similarly, if I pass a value which is not exist in this array, let me show you. So here I'm going to pass Ravi. And then save this file. Now you can see it's written false. And remember, this function is case sensitive. Let me show you. So here I'm going to type Smith. But here I use small case for s. If I save this file, now you can see it's written false again. But if I capitalize this s character, and then save this file, now you can see it's written true. So the function is case sensitive and always try to match the exact keyword. Basically, we use this kind of array method with if conditions. And according to result, we can perform any program. So I hope now it's clear for you what is include method. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.